Anushika, and I got this crate from Cubicle. I assembled this by myself with a little help with my parents and these instructions. Everything you need is in this box, but don't throw this box away because it's useful. So you see this? This is what's gonna make it spin. So the motor's under that makes it spin. And this is the battery, and this is the breadboard. So if you put this breadboard like two, three, so if you put it right, you might not see it, but right here, it will go really slow. See? But this is faster, so see? Ta-da! So what happens is if it's spinning and you pour paint, it will, spin the paint, and it'll be really cool pictures like this. And you may just make sure that you can close it, okay? Because that's important. And preventing leaks is important too, so it doesn't leak out. So now I'm gonna show you how it works. And it might be really messy, so you need to wear an apron. So keep the space like really clean, and have a messy mat, so if it splats on the ground, then it doesn't get on the table, even though it could wash out. So we're gonna press on, since the paper's over here, and let's try it. Here we go. I'm so excited. Whoa, can you see that? Isn't it awesome? I'm going to do the other color now. I'm going to go with yellow. I like yellow. Now I'm going to do the other one. See? It's so awesome. Ta-da! And then what else? It's going to make blue. It's so awesome right now. So you're going to drop some blue. Ta-da! Kind of looks like the sunset to me. So pretty. And then you might want to use some green. So I'm going to put the green. I'm trying to put the green in the middle. So. Wow. Look. Drop. Ta-da! See? And I think that's all the color we have. So we're going to turn it off and try to turn it off. So. See? Look at that. Isn't it awesome?